Welcome, my friends. In this video, I'll be discussing section 2.5, maps for categorical data. Suppose that we have data about the minority percentage for each Michigan county. That data might look something like this. We have each of the counties in Michigan, the number of minorities, and the minority percentage for each county. Now, this information works okay in a table, but it might be better summarized in a map. That map might look something like this. Here we have a map of Michigan where the minority percentage can be visualized based on this gray to white scale. The whiter the shade of the county in Michigan, the less the minority percentage. For all intents and purposes, you can ignore the numbers that are displayed on the graph, as those just relate to the county number that was displayed in the dataset. Here are some things that the map helps us see. About half of the counties are less than 10% minority. The eastern part of the Upper Peninsula has more minorities than the western part. Wayne County, which is number 82, has the highest percentage of minorities. The northern part of the Lower Peninsula generally has a lower minority percentage. Here is another example of a map specific to Grand Valley. This map of the United States shows the number of Grand Valley State University students from each of the 48 contiguous states. This map helps us see a number of different things. For example, predictably, Michigan has the highest number of Grand Valley State University students, because it is the grayed out color, which indicates that there are more than 500 students from the state. There are a number of different states that don't have any Grand Valley State University students, at least at the time that this map was created, including Montana, Wyoming, Utah, Oregon, and a few other states down south, maybe Maine, maybe some other states as well. One other thing that I will just comment about this map is I'm not the biggest fan of the color scheme. A lot of the colors look very similar to each other, which makes it kind of difficult to differentiate between the different numbers. For example, Indiana and Ohio look like they are almost exactly the same color, but one of them is most likely 66 to 76, and the other one is probably 110 to 120, but it's not all that easy to tell based on the colors. So maybe a better strategy would be to use a more diverse color scheme to more easily see the changes between the different states. All right, that is all I had to talk about in this video related to maps for categorical data, so I will see you in the next one.